How to use MyCap silicone caps for Nespresso Vertuoline brewers. Make sure to use fresh, finely ground coffee for best results. Check the coarseness of a store-bought pod for comparison. Make sure the edges of the capsule are clean. Try the funnel and holder in our MyCap sampler pack for less mess when refilling pods. Now fill your pod with freshly ground coffee. Do not fill higher than the max line indicated. Gently tamp coffee to make room for the lid and filter. Insert paper filter. This step is optional, but will give you a smoother brew with less silt. Now, carefully press the cap onto the filter, ensuring cap and filter are secure and even with the lip of the foil line. Use our silicone lids to prep capsules ahead of time. Be sure to use within a week for the freshest tasting coffee. Make sure to remove lid before brewing. When ready to brew, place capsule into your brewer. Brew. Then enjoy your perfect MyCap cup.